everyone, and welcome to Explore More. My name is Shelley, and this fabulous co-host is Tigress. Tigress is about 7 years old and is a mixed breed, and as you can tell, has a gorgeous stripy coat. She would be a great companion, whether you want to sit on the couch and read or go out for a nice long walk. So today, my friend from the Humane Society of Charlotte, who also happens to be named Shelley, has shared a video with us on how to prepare a healthy treat for your dog.
Hi, welcome back to HSC Cooks. I'm Shelley, the Humane Education Manager at the Humane Society of Charlotte, and today I have with me my two kitchen assistants. This is Franklin and this is Cookie. And today we are bringing you a super easy, yummy, delicious, 5-ingredient, no-bake treat. These are yummy, yummy, yummy cinnamon oat bites. And they are super easy to make. Anybody can do this. So to make these, what you're going to need is some canned pumpkin or pureed pumpkin, a cup of this, so a quarter cup of milk, a quarter cup of peanut butter, and then a total of 3 cups of oats, but you're going to need to divide it. So I've got 2.5 in here, and then I've got another ½ cup in this bowl. The last thing you're going to need is a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. So, are we ready? Are we ready to make these? Yeah? Okay, let's get started. So, we're going to dump our pumpkin in. There we go. You guys want to lift the bowl? Okay. And our milk. And our peanut butter. Add in there. And underneath this one, and a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. All right, now we're going to mix these together with a hand mixer, or if you have a stand mixer, you can do that too. Start on low speed so that milk doesn't go splashing everywhere. You're going to mix this for about 30 seconds to get everything fully incorporated. Once it's all mixed together, we are going to gradually stir in our oats. So gradually is the key word here. If you dump them all in at once, it's going to get clumpy and clunky, and it's kind of hard to mix. So we're just going to do a little bit at a time. Cookie and Frank have actually never tried these before, so this will be interesting to see what they think of these. We've actually never had like cold treats. Usually everything's at room temperature, or if they're really lucky, they get something heated up. All right, send the last of our oats. And as you're going, or in between, you can stop and make sure you scrape down the sides of your bowl so you get everything fully incorporated. And at this point, it should start to be a pretty stiff, thick mixture. It's a little bit harder to mix. We're gonna stop the mixer now that we've got everything fully blended. And this is my favorite part because you get to get messy. So what we're gonna do is, to make these bites, we're gonna roll them into little tiny like spheres. So get yourself an airtight container and to the side, so that's what you're gonna put them in. And get your ½ cup of oats that are left over, and you can start mixing. So you grab a little chunk in your hand and you kind of roll it around like that. So you've got the perfect little bite. Then you're gonna roll it in your oats and pop it in the container. And I like to make varying sizes of these. That way they can have them at different times and different amounts. So I can make a lot of little ones and then some bigger ones for more of like a high value treat. Also, Cookie is noticeably smaller than Frank and needs less calories than he does to maintain a healthy weight. So I'd like to have some smaller ones for her so that she doesn't pack on any extra pounds. Which, if you know pugs, they're notorious for doing that. All right, so just continue to roll them all up until you've got them all coated and all in your container. All right, now that you have rolled them all up, you're gonna seal that container and pop it in the fridge for about an hour. At least an hour. That's how much time it'll take for them to really firm and set up. So now we're gonna set that in the fridge, but this is a finished batch I made right before this. Would you guys like to try these? Okay, are you ready? Now, side note, I'm letting them eat these together and enjoy these together because I know they're great with each other and they're fine with food around each other. There's no aggression at all. But not all dogs are like that. Some dogs have a little bit of resource guarding and aren't okay with eating real close to other dogs. And that is okay. It's our job as humans to know what their limits are and what their likes and dislikes and what they're good at and their tendencies, and then set them up for success. So if you know your dog is maybe not so great with food around others, then make sure you don't feed them together. Alrighty guys. Are we ready? Can we sit? Good sit! Yes! Good job. What do we think? Well, I would say they're a hit. So these will keep up in your refrigerator for about a week. So as long as they stay refrigerated in an airtight container, you can store them for a week. But that is all for HSC Cooks today. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you tune in next time.
Now, I have followed this recipe. Let's see how I did. Tigress, would you care to be my taste tester? I think it's a hit. For this recipe and more like it, please visit our Explore More section on our website at peggyadams.org. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. That was good.